Mawkyrnot le jingo Chief Minister Shri Konrad K Sangma ryngkat ka DC kong RM korba pa em laborious manik SM kumjuru ki riu rangba jong ka Khun ko longtrai laikynthei. Shakanika jaka lalam nanti daw samla Morning Star kong thau ubadai pej badbasham ru ek Jingkieng jiri hangni hathain riwa jongi. Da kamen siam bakalut UCM badan burom ula ai khublai ek nongshong shnong jong ka Mawkyrnot hashwa bon hiar shakading jiri badan hakateka shnong. Haka jingkieng lenti jong u don ru ki Torres bawaniat kai pengat shakanika jaka badia ki taru ulap deng smopha bad ai khublai ru aki. Kat bakakan Khun Village Organization kadang ai khublai bat pediang sompha yo CM ulat terwa yaki da kanungan ka scheme ka bagi dan kam jingerap kumtana kaliang jong ka VO ke lapan pau baki dan kam ya ka office ka bakin laban pentri kam tikanaya ka. UCM da ka jingkuluit men siam ula kular yaki banle ban ai kata ka baki dan kam da ka baki noya lam kin submit no shen yaki application shaka office tray kam.
This is done by two.
Of the Rantilyang Mawkyrnot route bridge trek, and this is the ancient highways as they call it, and the route that the ancestors and our forefathers used to use, and it is still being kept like this and preserved. It's a beautiful place for tourists to come in, and I would really encourage our people as well as our tourists to come and experience this really traditional highway and traditional routes that our forefathers used to use. Thank you. In fact, we went to one where the given copyright to yes, given that copyright. Some part is Sora. No. Mostly it's very huge, no? That's still area. So you made the proposal? Combine. Have some kind of a different नमस्कार, आप लोग कहाँ से? मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त। दोस्त को सलाम करो। कब आए आप लोग? All media teams can be one day. Great. May 15th को आए, very good. Exact details. You came from here or you came from Upper? अभी ऊपर जाएंगे आप? Quite a bit of trek. Okay. Oh, madam camera. Which camera, guys? Good. Come behind. Ma, not 15 SSG. 15 SSG, 1 PO. Okay, good. Please ask them how is their work going, any support they would require. Tell me. Don't feel shy. Media team can be on one side.
Ka dùng em cam nào các bạn? Quả.
Yeah, what kind of scheme? What scheme? VO, they want a VO building. They want a VO building, no? Oh, who's president? VO? Oh, you're secretary. So I will give you from CMSDF, from Chief Minister's Development Fund. I will give you VO office. Okay? You just write me an application, put your number, and you can give it to either Bob Preston also, or to you, or to BDO. Get it across to me, Alex. Alex. Oh, you stayed back. Okay. So anyway, Vijay's here. Yes, somebody can coordinate. We'll just take note. And then from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will give a VO building to you. Okay? You just tell them that.
Yes.
Saya laikkan kasih
Không lẽ.
Wait, let them go. Because I'm equal to 1.5, so you are almost 100 kg. So,
I'll tell you a story about
From the market, all the garbage.
video. Yang boleh lah. Yang enggak akak kami tu mau mukul. Yang ini cawa. Amu pun cawa. Ya. Ayo kan. Ya. Ada banyak orang yang sudah kontak. Ba, anh yên nào cái thề thôi mà. Anh yên nào.
longest living root bridge. It's more than 90 years old, and for me it was a great experience because I became part of this bridge. I've become part of history because I also managed to weave one of the roots and tied it down. So now my contribution, I can say, and my participation is also there in this particular bridge, and therefore this moment and this particular bridge means a lot to me. It's very special to me, and as I said, now I'm part of the history of this bridge, which is still under construction. 90 years back it was started. It was a great experience. Thank you so much. Yeah, we won't shoot you with camera. How will shoot you with gun? Only 3 at a time. Only 3 at a time. Back. Yeah. It's okay if you want to fall down, then please come. One, two. Done? Done?
Fine. Very good. Good. Love your what's right here?
The bamboo. Wow. Awesome. We'll come back this way.